grade 5 girls, please turn to page number 583 and write today's date at 16th March. They are asking you to measure your pen using an inch ruler. You know you have your scale. Can anyone show me your scale ruler in the camera? Can anyone show me your ruler in the camera, please?
Okay. I don't have a ruler.
Who has a ruler? Please show me here. Okay, I will stop this sharing so that everyone sees in a big, yeah. Okay, show me. Don't let your camera be open, Jenna. Okay, which is the inch side and which is the centimeter side?
This is the inch side.
Excellent, dear Jana. You are showing it very clearly. Now, can you measure your pen? I think you have your pen with you. Measure the pen and tell me how many inches your pen is. Show how you measure, please. Just put your ruler up and your pen. You will start from 0, right? You will start from 0. So how much inches it is? Or how many inches?
9.
It is almost like 5.6 inches. Very good. So write down there. Write down in the first, because they told you to measure. Yeah, write down. They wrote 3 inches. You write down 6 inches because you got 6 inches. I don't.
Okay, so like we bring like a ruler or and a pen, and we like.
Yes. Tala, do you have a ruler?
Okay.
Amal.
Bring that.
Okay, till then, till Tala come back, so I'll tell you. When you multiply with 100, what did I teach you girls? Multiplication, you always remember the point moves to right side. 2 zeros, it will move here, and it is 598. Do you remember this or no? 3 zeros, 1, 2, and 3. There's nothing here, that means I'll put a 0 here. Do you remember this, girls? I'm asking you all.
What?
Do you remember Maria,
this
Jana,
what?
Tulin, 583?
No, I don't remember.
I told you when you multiply with 100, the point moves to the right side, shifts to the right side. And here it shifts to the right side. There is one
Miss, I forgot
I
this
put 0.
lesson, so I don't remember anything.
Anyways, it is not coming for the test, this one, but you must know, girls, that when you divide, the point shifts to the left-hand side. 2 zeros. So point before 2 zeros. There are 3 zeros. So point before 3 numbers. 1, 2, and 3. Put a point here. Point before 2 numbers because it is 2 zeros. And here it is moving to the right side. The point moves to the right side. And here the point moves to the left side. Yes?
Mine is like this, look. It's like telling me that is like in here, like 5, but after 4 lines. What does that mean?
1 second here. Show me again, Yatala.
It's still like when you measure it.
Yeah, that's
Sometimes
correct.
there's
For
like
you, it is showing 5.5. It's between 5 and
oh,
6.4.
so like we write 5.5 if it's
Okay, because
between
they did
5
not
and
ask
6.
you. They did not ask you exact. You can just round about. You can just round and write on 5 because it is 5.4. If it is more than 5.5, you're going to write 6.
Okay.
Now here, girls, please, before I start this lesson, I want you to know when you are multiplying with 110, you will move to right hand side. When you are dividing, you will move to left hand side. Just make these arrows. Please make these arrows. And then again, I'm saying you girls, like you have.
Miss, what do we like? What did you
See,
just
see,
say? I don't
see, Tala, you see a point here, right? You see a point. How many zeros are
Miss, are you talking because your voice just cut off?
5.98 times 1,000?
Yeah, Miss, your voice just cut off.
How many zeros do you see here in 1,000?
2?
Oh, yeah, Tala, in 1,000 there are 2 zeros. I need to jump from here.
Oh, in 1,000 there is 3 zeros.
Yeah. So the point will move 3 places. 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
But it doesn't have anything here. So I put a 0 and my answer is 5980. We did this
Okay.
in the first term.
Now we did it in the first term. Now I understand. I just need a little bit of
Now
music.
here, who's there next? Maria, did you get?
Are you going to take the exams at school or online?
Maria, did you get it? I have no idea, my dear.
Kind
Do
of.
you understand this? Jana,
Miss, I didn't understand.
who's this?
Jury. Jury.
Jury. This we have done in the first term, but again, because this concept will come to apply in the lessons, I want to explain you again. How many zeros you see here in 5?
Miss, this will come in the quarter exam.
See, these type of questions are there in the next lesson. I mean, what is there in the quarter test. You just see here and I'll make it clear. Don't worry at all, yeah, Jury. Tell me, 5.98. How many zeros you multiply here, Jury, here?
2.
2. Put your pencil to the point and move to the right because the arrow is right in multiplication. How many places I need to move? Because there are 2 zeros. I need to shift my point 1 and 2. I will shift my point here. So what is your answer? 598.0598.
Oh, okay.
I think you can remember, recollect how I explained you before. Now see here, 235 divided by 100. You don't have any point here, but we'll start from the last. And what did I say you? In division, you will go to the left. Multiplication, you will go to right. Just make these arrows so that when you are studying for your test, you remember this. I don't think so this page is there, but yeah, this page is not there. Now girls, 100. Jury is 100 means how many zero?
2.
So how do I move? From the last to the left. 1, 2. What is your answer? 2.35. Now in 1,000 there are 3 zeros. I move to the left. 1, 2, and 3. 0.235 and 0 before the point. Did you understand now?
Yes.
Any other questions, girls?
No. No.
Length of the pencil, you will see in inches. Length of the football field, you will see in yard. I cannot count inches for the whole football field. You have to take a big yard or something like that. Okay?
Miss, can you go up?
You mean this way?
Yes.
Dan? Okay, now girls. Go to next vocabulary builder. That is page number. Girls, instead of one lesson, I just gave this page. So that what does that mean? That means everyone must memorize this page. And I will ask tomorrow. I will ask tomorrow, girls. Please learn it today. Everyone, let me call out your names and say you. All of you girls, please memorize these, okay? Mariana, are you listening?
Okay.
Tomorrow I'm gonna ask.
Miss, can you go back to the other page really quick, please? Okay, done. Thank you.
Welcome. Is Amal here with me?
Yes.
Amal, for tomorrow, remember that take out page 584 and you'll write this. I will explain now. And tomorrow, all of you will learn this and come. Okay?
Okay.
Tulin, are you there? Tulin? Jude and Judy. Jude and Judy. Mariana.
Yeah.
Yes, Mariana. So please listen to all of these, try to understand them and learn them for tomorrow. Tomorrow when I enter the class, I'm going to ask you, any one of you these, and I don't want you all to be quiet. Did you get it? Instead of one lesson, I just gave vocabulary builder as a lesson in the quarter test so that you all can score good marks. Is it clear? And you can attempt this question when you understand it. First of all, come on. Now let me start here. What are we going to study all today? What is customary and what is metric? Metric is something like, see, if I ask you, tell me the length of your length of your dressing table by your hand. If you just do by your hand and say you, that is not metric, that is not standard, that is something. Like that we have metric and standard, like gram, milligram, decimeter, decameter. This is not important, but you need to write. But this one is important, guys. So I will just solve this now with you, and then you can write down. First listen and then write down. The first one. A metric unit of length that is equal to 1/10 of meter, girls. 1/10 means 1/10. That is nothing but it's called as decimeter. How do you know decimeter? Now show me your scale again. Tala, show your scale. Amal, do you have a ruler with you?
Miss, I have a ruler with me right now.
Okay, show me a ruler. And show where is decimeter. You cannot.
Miss, I don't have.
You have
decimeter.
millimeter.
I just have
Yes. You have
centimeter
centimeter and you have millimeter. Imagine, girls, decimeter is more small.
No,
millimeter.
centimeters.
Can you
and
see
inches.
this? Can you see these small lines? These are millimeter. Decimeter is more smaller than this. Oh, wow. Anyways. 1/10 of meter is like, see, like centimeter is divided into 10 lines. Meter is also divided into 10 lines, which is called as decimeter. Meter is also divided into 10 lines, which is called as decimeter. Now, a metric unit of length that is equal to 1000. 110. If I, like, see, do you go to shop? Do you remember before they used to give cloth measuring a long scale with a long scale? Like, we call a cloth in Arabic as gumash, right? If you're not going to buy some cloth which is stitched, unstitched cloth, how do the shopkeeper measure? He measured with a very long scale, the meter scale. He doesn't have a scale like us, a small one.
And my mom used to have it.
Yeah, he has a big ruler and they measure it. They measure it. That is a meter scale.
Giant,
If
enormous. It's
you
really
divide
long.
them. Now, girls, I'll explain you now. Look at it carefully. This is the big one, meter, which your mom has or which the shopkeeper has, and this is a small one which you have. Now, this when I divide the centimeter into very small 10 lines. Very small 10 lines. This is called as millimeter. This is called as millimeter. Now, this is a big scale. This is a big scale. In this, when I divide...
Miss, do we do like this?
No, don't
Like
draw that. I'm just
the one?
explaining you. When I divide the meter scale to small, it's called as decimeter. This is 1/10 of the meter. See this, girls. This is 1/10 of a meter. When I say meter, remember your shopkeeper scale. When I say meter, 110 means decimeter. 1000 means millimeter. 1000 means millimeter. 1/10 means decimeter. Remember like that. When teacher will ask 1/10 of meter, I will write decimeter. When teacher will ask 1000 of meter, I will write millimeter. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, it's clear.
Write down these two and then I'll also explain you the others.
I finished.
Good. Now, number 3. A metric unit of capacity is equal to 1000 of a liter. Girls, you know 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. I'll just write here. 1 liter equals 1000. I want you to write this also. 1000 ml. That's why a metric capacity 1000. When I say 1000 of milliliter, 1000 of liter, this is called a milliliter. Remember just these girls. At 1/10 of meter, decimeter. 1000 of meter, millimeter. 1000 of a liter, milliliter again. 10 meters is equal to decameter. If I'm talking about 10 meters, that is called as decameter. Like imagine those 10 big scales, what the shopkeeper has. That is called a decameter. Everyone, at least 4 or 5 questions will be from these girls.
Okay.
So you all can score very well. I want you all to score good mark. Everyone will learn this. And before, inshallah, before your test, I'm going to ask you daily about it. So that nobody less mark.
Miss, can you go down so we can write
Miss,
number?
that's easy. Inshallah, we will get this right.
Inshallah. And see, you will have 5 questions of here and 5 something else. So 5, you know, it must be full mark. And then the other 5 you will get better.
So the quarter test is going to be just 10 questions?
What different questions? It will be like...
No, I meant like
Tally means
10
the test
questions?
will be 10 questions, just
10 questions. And then I told that this time I chose the vocabulary builder so that you learn from before and you score
So
more.
like there would be 15 questions, right?
I really don't know whether it's 15 or 10. I will ask Ms. Vala regarding that. I prefer it to be 10 questions.
Miss, can I see the, can you scroll up because I want to write the things, the circles, or we don't need to?
If you want, you can. I will draw the circles again. That will help you.
Okay, can I see it, please?
110. I'm just making it again.
No, not the circles. I mean the circles up, the sort the review and
First finish this.
preview.
First finish this, everyone, and then I will go up.
Okay, I finished it.
Me too.
1,000 of gram is milligram. 1,000 of liter, milliliter. 10 meter, decameter. 1,000 of a meter, millimeter. See, girls, very easy. Whenever this word 1,000 is coming, if it is meter, millimeter. If it is liter, milliliter. If it is gram, milligram. All are 1,000. See? 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Meter, just join millimeter. Liter, just write milliliter. Gram, just write milligram. Isn't it?
Milligram.
Isn't it easy, girls?
Yeah. Just add milli.
Just add milli. Excellent, Yamal. Just add milli to these words. When will you add? When you see 1,000. And then these two, remember, 10 meter is 1 decameter. 1/10 meter is decimeter. Finished?
Yes.
Can I go up? Right on.
Yeah. Should we also study these?
No. Done?
No, this no.
Okay, so grade 7 girls from tomorrow, sorry, grade not 7, grade 5 girls. I'm sorry, girls. It comes into my mind always because I teach all of the grades 6, 5, and 7. So grade 5 girls here, lesson 10.1. Now daily you need to sit with the ruler, with the, okay, so that I can explain you with it.
Okay.
Now, just don't write anything. Look here. That's it. That's enough. That's more than enough. Just don't write. Look onto the. This is the main thing what you need to know. This is the main thing, girls. What you need to know.
Okay.
All right. I will not say that you need to learn because I think I will be giving you that. Just give me a moment.
Miss, I didn't really understand how to do the homework.
Which one? The graph?
No, the one like
The
the one
spiral
100. Like I didn't understand how to like do it, but I do understand the graph. Like 576, the one.
Okay, don't worry. I'm gonna solve with you. You told me at 9:32. Now it's 9:32. We just have 3 minutes. And I'm sorry, I cannot do now. But remind me tomorrow and I will solve with you, okay?
Okay.
Remind me tomorrow in the beginning. Now here. It's actually, if you see, it's very simple, guys. They ask you 2 mi, 2 miles is how many yards? First, tell me the relation between yards and miles.
Miles is less than yards.
Here, see?
Yards are bigger.
Yeah. So they gave you 1 mile. 1 mile is 1760 yard. Very simple question, girls. It's given, this I will give you an exam. You don't have to remember. 1 mile is equals to 1760 yard. Girls, if it is 2 mile, how much? Like 1 chocolate is 3 real. 2 chocolate is how much? You will multiply. Am I right? Like jury? Jury.
Yes.
You go to a shop and they say you that 1 Galaxy bar is 4 reals. How many, if you want to buy 3 bars, how many reals it will be? 3 times 4. Am I correct? That is 12 reals. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Yeah. Similarly, 1 mile,
Right.
so many yards, 1760 yards. So 2 miles will be 2 times 1760. Anybody has this question? That why it is 2 times?
Miss, do you hear me now?
Yes. 1 mile is 1760 yards.
Because I was joining and leaving, and it was
Happened.
lagging, and
It
you
happens.
were lagging.
Now, girls, I think I need to continue tomorrow. It's already 9:34. Okay? Have a great day. Study what I told you all. And inshallah, in the beginning 5 minutes, I'm going to ask you questions.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, girls.
Bye.
And how many are absent? They did not join. Let me check.
I joined.
Tina did not come today. And who else?
Okay, bye, Miss.
Bye-bye, girls. Bye-bye.